Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the oven. This is a microwave and this is an oven. For the microwave, you open the door here. You place your plate, close it, and you can touch directly the buttons. This one will be 1 minute, this one 2 minutes, 3 minutes, etc. For example, here 2 minutes. Wait, sorry. 2 minutes, and it starts automatically. Okay? If you want to stop it, stop. You can also enter the exact time that you would like here, time. For example, 1 minute and 15 seconds, and start. And you can stop it here. When it reaches the end of the time, it will stop automatically. Okay, then the little oven, please make sure to not put anything on top when you cook it, it will get hot. So you choose your temperature here. It's the temperature is in Fahrenheit, okay? And to turn it on, you turn this wheel and you put the time that you need. For example, here 5 minutes. It will stop automatically when it reaches the end of the time. Or if you want to switch it off, you turn back the wheel to off. When it is on, the light here is on, and when it is off, there is no light.